In this video, I'll show you how to get Roblox on your Nintendo Switch with the updated method. Go to your Nintendo Switch system settings. Scroll down and tap on Internet, then choose Internet settings. Once your Wi-Fi networks load, select the one you're currently connected to. Tap Change Settings, scroll to DNS settings, and switch it to manual. For primary DNS, enter 045.055.142.122 or the latest DNS shown in your source. Press OK, then save and connect to the network. It will say there's no internet access. That's normal. Tap Next, then wait a few seconds. You should see an option to continue to Google. Tap that. In the Google search bar, type Roblox and tap Search. Tap the first link to go to roblox.com and let it load. And that's it. You now have access to Roblox through your Switch browser. If this helped you, leave a like and subscribe. See you next time.